Smoke alarms are a critical line of defense in fire safety. But how exactly do these life-saving devices detect danger? Let's dive into the details. A smoke alarm is designed to sense particles of combustion or smoke and emit an audible or visual warning, giving occupants crucial time to escape during a fire. The importance of smoke alarms cannot be overstated. They significantly reduce the risk of death in a house fire by alerting you the moment smoke is detected, often while you are sleeping. There are two primary types of residential smoke alarms: ionization and photoelectric. Each utilizes a different method to detect the presence of smoke particles. First, let's explore ionization smoke alarms, which are typically very effective at detecting specific types of fires. Inside an ionization alarm is an ionization chamber, which contains two electrically charged plates and a small piece of radioactive material, usually americium-241. This radioactive source creates a constant electrical current between the plates. When smoke enters the chamber, it disrupts this current, causing the alarm to sound. Ionization alarms are best suited for detecting small, fast-flaming fires, which produce tiny, virtually invisible smoke particles, but are often less responsive to smoldering fires. Next, let's examine the photoelectric smoke alarm, which uses light-sensing technology to detect smoke. A photoelectric alarm contains a chamber with a light source, typically an LED, aimed away from a light sensor. When smoke enters the chamber, the particles scatter the light beam, deflecting it onto the sensor. When enough light hits the sensor, the alarm is activated. Photoelectric alarms excel at detecting large, smoldering fires, which produce more visible smoke particles, making them generally more effective at early detection of these slower-burning hazards. Given the differences, many modern smoke alarms are dual sensor models, combining both ionization and photoelectric technologies for comprehensive protection. Dual sensor alarms offer the benefit of detecting both flaming and smoldering fires quickly, providing maximum fire detection capability in your home. Smoke alarms also vary by power source. Some are powered by replaceable batteries, while others are hardwired into your home's electrical system, often with a battery backup. Once the sensor detects smoke, the alarm activation process is instantaneous, transitioning from detection to warning. The alarm typically generates a loud, piercing sound, often accompanied by flashing lights, to ensure occupants are immediately alerted to the danger and can evacuate. Proper maintenance is key to reliable performance. This includes monthly testing, cleaning, and replacing batteries at least once a year. In conclusion, understanding how smoke alarms work highlights their mechanical and electronic ingenuity in keeping us safe. Whether ionization or photoelectric, their common goal is to provide that early warning, the most vital factor in surviving a house fire. Remember to install, test, and maintain your smoke alarms. Your safety and the safety of your loved ones depends on it.